The Magic School Bus Hops Home, a book about animal habitats. Miss Frizzle is our teacher. Last week we learned about animal homes. Wanda brought her pet bullfrog. The frog was named Bella. Miss Frizzle asked, what does a bullfrog need in her home or habitat? A safe place to sleep, said Wanda. Water, said Wolfie. Food, said Dorothy Ann. Fresh air, said Arnold as he opened the window. While we were making a habitat for Bella, she hopped out the window. We have to go look for her, yelled Wanda. Let's all look for Bella. Time for a field trip, said Miss Frizzle. I'm sorry I opened the window, said Arnold. Another crazy field trip, groaned Arnold. Arnold was annoyed. The best way to find a frog is to be a frog, said Miss Frizzle. The bus spun in a circle and we got smaller. Then the bus hopped away like a frog. We never changed into a frog at my old school. Hang on. We hopped through the woods to a creek. The water moved fast. Do you think this looks like a good place to look for Bella? Miss Frizzle asked the class. This looks like a good frog habitat to me. There are lots of insects to eat and plenty of running water. Let's look, Wanda said. Wanda tripped over Arnold and they both fell in the cold, fast-running water. Help, they yelled. Here comes a waterfall, cried Wanda. Miss Frizzle and the school bus saved Wanda and Arnold with a big net. The bus put Wanda and Arnold safely on dry land. The water in that stream is too fast for a frog, said Wanda. Bullfrogs need to lay their eggs in quiet water. Fast-moving water will wash away the eggs, said Miss Frizzle. Watch the birdie, class. Look, it's a great blue heron. Follow that bird. We hiked and hiked. We arrived at a big pond. Just as predicted, said Miss Frizzle, a beaver pond. The water is nice and quiet here, said Arnold. Beavers are rodents like mice and squirrels. Carlos said, beavers need a quiet pond to live in. Beavers make their own habitat. They build a dam across a stream. Then it turns into a pond. Plants grow. Bugs come to live and eat the plants. And bugs are food for other animals like... There is Bella, yelled Wanda. She has everything she needs in her habitat. She has plenty of space, lots of insects to eat, quiet water to lay her eggs in, and lots of fresh air too, said Arnold. Wanda jumped into the water to save Bella from getting eaten by the great blue heron. Wait, Wanda! Oh no! I can't look. Bella jumped in the water. The heron tried to eat Wanda. I was almost a heron's lunch, yelled Wanda. Wow, that was a close one, Wanda. Bella, you need to come home with me. It's not safe here, Wanda yelled at Bella. Miss Frizzle told Wanda that Bella has places to hide from the heron. Bella can hide from the heron under the lily pads. I wouldn't mind hiding from that heron myself. The heron and lily pads are part of Bella's habitat. Bella made a friend. Bella has everything she needs here. Quiet water, hiding places, food, space, and a new friend. I'm going to leave you here in the habitat you found, Bella, said Wanda. Wanda walked back to us. We all climbed on the bus. Goodbye, Bella, Wanda yelled. Bella will be very happy with all those flies to eat. You mean she'll be very hoppy? Great trip. Back at school, Wanda misses Bella. Surprise! It's a toy bullfrog, her friend said. Thank you, I love it, said Wanda. And it doesn't even eat fruit flies. The end.